What's up YouTube, what's up eBay, this is amaniesb, once again back with another eBay Ultimate Collection Hockey Group break. This being number 9. Last break, got a sick hit. Jeff Skinner, Ultimate Rookie Auto, number 299. And we've got 6 boxes left, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there's one problem with this break. On eBay they removed Boston and Edmonton, and they called it a chance listing violation. Supposedly it's too close to gambling, they say, so they removed the 2 highest bidding teams. So any hits that come out of here that are Edmonton or Boston will be randomed via random.org. And yeah, so let's hope for a Taylor Hall or Tyler Seguin. I'll show you. Ultimate Hockey, number 9. Last spot ended was Washington, August 5th, 7:24 Pacific time. And the serial number 926-45845. And there's one problem. There's a big upper deck logo in front of the serial number, so I had to stretch it quite a bit to get a peek at each number. So once I tear off the plastic, you'll get a better view of the serial number. Okay. Nine, 2, 6, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5. Okay. Here's the pack. Good luck, everyone. Okay, first hit for the Philadelphia Flyers, Mike Richards base, numbered 84 of 399. Good job, Flyers, you got another hit. A nice one, Sergei Bobrovsky, Ultimate Rookies autographs, number 61 of 299. You got a decoy. And another autographed jersey for the Minnesota Wild, Maxime Nero, number 9 of 50. So that's pretty nice. And a big old jersey card. Jason Spezza for the Ottawa Senators, numbered 34 of 35. So not a bad box. Quick recap, Spezza for the Senators, Richards for the Flyers, Bobrovsky for the Flyers, decoy, and a Maxime Nero autographed jersey. Thanks everyone for joining. Be sure to check us out on eBay, join some breaks that we have coming up, and I'm out.